Hello! In this tutorial, I'll introduce key aspects of setting up and running Radiance daylighting simulations in DesignBuilder. I'll briefly discuss model geometry and daylighting data. I'll review the different reports and calculation options. And finally, I'll run short point-in-time and annual daylight simulations and review key results. This will give you an overview of DesignBuilder's Radiance daylighting processes and the outputs available. DesignBuilder is a high productivity interface that enables you to run energy and comfort, daylighting and CFD simulations, all from one model without needing to import or export models or files. The focus of this tutorial is on DesignBuilder's daylighting module. That uses the Radiance engine, not the daylight control calculations.
You can access the full tutorial from DesignBuilder's website here. This page contains our extensive range of free tutorials, including an introduction to the software and more details on DesignBuilder's key capabilities and workflows. The tutorials are all short, enabling you to quickly and easily view the most important details in your areas of interest. They provide an excellent guide for anyone wanting to evaluate DesignBuilder. A direct link to this specific tutorial is included in the video description.